Maverick, what are you doing?
Maverick, what are you doing? Maddie.
Good job. What are you doing?